Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DealCheck for compliance and condition tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with logging into DealCheck, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for DealCheck and press enter. Once the DealCheck homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login interface. Now you will see fields prompting you to enter your email and password. Type in the email address associated with your DealCheck account in the first field. Next, move to the password field and carefully enter your password. Make sure to double-check that both your email and password are correct to avoid any login errors. If you prefer, you can select the option to remember your login details on this device for easier access in the future. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to continue. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your DealCheck dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a password reset email. After resetting your password, return to the login page and enter your new password. Congratulations, you are now logged into DealCheck and can start tracking compliance and conditions. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.